Hi guys, Whitney from WSS EQUESTRIAN. Welcome to my video on how to store your horse feed. So within my mini series of storage that we're going into, this is the next one in our chapter of storage, how to store stuff. So without further ado, let's jump straight on into it. So I'm at an adjustment centre. This is the big feed shed. Everyone has their designated spot around this half front of the shed. So this is my area. I'm very lucky, very grateful. I've got quite a big bit of space right here. So thankfully, thank you to my beautiful boyfriend. He got me this massive pallet years ago, back in 2018. It's a really long pallet and it's perfect for the amount of hay I have because I've got a fair few horses. So this works out perfect for me. So this is a pallet that I have a tarp wrapped over, and I always put my hay on this, and that's to keep the hay up off the ground, particularly in winter, and to stop it getting cold and moist and moisture and that. And there's a tap behind the camera, and some people, sometimes things go wrong and the tap gets left on or it bursts, whatever, and there's water flooding the way through this way. So where I live in this area, in this setup, I need my hay up off the ground because I don't want it to be destroyed or be wasted. So it's up off the ground, one, for the weather, two, vermin, rats and all that. Try and avoid as much as I can the rats and mice that I'm living in it at the moment. Even though we're going through like a massive mouse plague at the moment, you try and do your best to keep them out of it as possible. There one just ran past behind us just then. Speak of the devil. Back to this. So yeah, this is where I have my hay. Normally I have big brown bales of hay, but at the moment I've just got some squares of open hay at the moment, and that's what I'm going through. So I have my hay always up on here, and then over here, this is my pony pallets, and I buy once a week, so I do my once a week shop, and then just save me racing back and forth to the shops. So I've got my pony pallets for the week to go into, and this is an old bookshelf here, and I've got it up off the wall, and I've got them stacked up here. I haven't yet gone and brought more containers so I can store these in. So for now, this is the best thing I can do to keep the mice and that out of this. So I just have them all laid up here, out of reach of mice and rats. Then I've just got like my bin and just another storage compartment. Then in this bad boy, I've had this since 2018. Someone recommended to go to the local dump, and they've got these for sale for $15. So yeah, had it since then. And I put my loosen sharp, a whole bag of loosen sharp fits in here, and it's safe out of the way of rats and mice. So lid's shut all the time, and they haven't yet tried to chew through it, but bada bing, bada boom, keep your chaff. So it's really important with your chaff and your hays and that, keep them dry, keep the rats out of them, keep the mice out of them, any other bugs in that. You want to feed your horses quality, clean, quality products. So, and to do that, you've got to store it correctly. Keep it out of the weather elements, keep it out of reach of other animals and all that jazz, just to keep it as good a quality as you possibly can. So we come over here, my wide container, normally I have the cooler compete in that, but we're in winter now and I haven't been riding the horses. Everyone's on holidays at the moment, so I have not been feeding them the high protein, the high fibre and all that to fill them full of energy. I'm just sticking with pony pellets to keep them in good condition. And then my little black trusty container, I put one of them bags fits in there at a time. So, and where you can see the duct tape on the top, the rats chewed a hole. There goes another mouse. Bentley, there's a mouse over there, there's two. Can you please get onto it, please? Anyways, if only it was that easy with cats. So yeah, they chewed a hole, and for now, because I was starting to run out of buckets, because they were just chewing literally straight through these plastic containers a few years ago, they got really bad. That's why we went and moved in a cat. Originally it was Tigger. She mysteriously disappeared. Don't get me started on that. Then we ended up, Chloe and I, we brought Bonnie's our horse. We brought Bentley, the next stable cat, and he's still here, so that's good. And he is catching mice here and there, so you're doing your job, hey, you're doing your job. Don't bite me. Anyways, enough of me rambling. Back to the containers here, I put my one bag of that at a time, and I store my pony pellets in there, and I keep the lid shut, and I keep everything, keep the dust out of things, keep the rain, the weather, all that element, and then the vermin. You keep them out of it, because at the end of the day, you want really good, healthy, quality horses, and to do that, there goes the mouse again. Bentley, you're missing the mouse over there. Sorry, the mice keep distracting me behind the camera. Anyway, so yeah, to have healthy, quality performance horses in the show ring, you need to feed them quality feed, and to do that, you need to do the right thing with your storage of your food. So yeah, it is simple. Once you get your routine and your way, knick-knack, how you groove on how you do things, you get into it and you just stick to it, and it's smooth sailing after that. So this is my little get up here, guys, that I thought I'd show you in this video. And then side note to just finish with, guys, keep it a nice and clean area. That's not so clean tidy right there. It's not the worst, but for those that have been following my channel and they've seen my cleaning videos, I have done 2. I'll leave a link in the description down below for both of them, and I'll leave a card up top for one or the other. But really important, guys, keep your area clean and tidy for yourself and for your storage. It's much easier to get to things and you're less likely to accidentally hurt yourself, slipping over, whatever. So really, 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 really important. Keep your area clean and tidy at all times. I'm a prime example of letting it go. Just want to tell you guys, try and keep on top of it as much as you can. At least clean up once a week. That is sufficient enough and help you in the long run. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with any show horse related topics, be it be at show vlogs or behind the scene videos where we have a general chit chat like today's video. Alright, thank you for your support. Thank you for making it this long in the video, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!